How to add USDT TRC-20 wallet address to Trust Wallet and easily receive this crypto to your wallet. This is very easy to do, so follow my steps and let's start. First of all, you have to scroll the main page of Trust Wallet a little bit. After that, click on button Add Tokens, and as you can see, there are a lot of crypto tokens here. However, to add USDT TRC-20 crypto, you have to write Tether in the search bar. But here be careful, because there are many USDT networks, and if you choose the wrong one when sending your coins, they may not come to your wallet. So be careful and choose Tether USDT Tron. Then click here and finally click Done. So now USDT TRC-20 token is on the main page of our Trust Wallet app, and to receive this crypto from someone, you need to click on it. After that, click Receive. Also, one of the ways of receiving USDT token is to show this QR code to a person who is going to send you this crypto. But also, you can get USDT TRC-20 crypto token by copying your USDT wallet address.